Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking esport team logo for your esport community or organization. So if you are building an esport team and want to create your esport team logo yourself without any prior experience or creativity, then this video is for you. So go to canva.com and create your account. The reason we use Canva is that you can customize already made templates designed by professionals and creatives. You just need to tweak, refine, and add your own details with your branding colors, and your logo will be ready in just a few minutes, under 10 minutes. So create your account in Canva and go to the search bar, then type eSport Team Logo. You will see Canva's available templates ready for you to customize or modify. Click See All for more options. Just scroll down, and whichever you like or fits your expectations, simply modify that one. Let me see which one looks good for me. This one looks good for me, and it is free as well. I will customize this one. You can explore more, and whichever suits you, just customize that template. For now, I'm going with this one. Now I have full access to my template to edit or modify it. If I want to edit the text, just select it. These are the features that I can customize with text. I can change the font, resize my font, change the color, make it bold, italic, underline, strike through, make it uppercase and lowercase at once, alignment, make a list, and adjust letter spacing, line spacing, and effects. Right now, this effect is enabled. If you want to make it curved, you can curve it. This one is for the transparency of your text. You can animate it if you want, and this option is for position. With one click, you can just reposition your text. After that, if you don't like this element or icon, just remove it and go to the Elements tab and search for any type you want, like wolf, ninja. Whatever type of esport you have, just search for it. Right now, I'll go with wolf. Maybe I'll go with this one, or pick another. Just choose. Maybe this one like this. And I'll change the color to something like this. Yep, like this. You can pick whichever elements you want. Just explore and choose whichever fits your expectations. Then just add it to your logo. In this way, you can tweak and adjust, add your own details, and blend your colors, and after your design or logo is ready, check it once to make sure it's all good to go. To export it, rename your file, and then go to the Share option and download. Download it as a PNG or in any other available format you prefer. Just download it, and your eSport team logo is ready. So without any experience or creativity, you've created your logo for your team within a few minutes. That's the power of Canva. Thank you for watching.